Good morning everybody. I didn't charge my phone last night because I left my charger in the lounge and it was really weird just waking up and not going on my phone. I know that sounds really millennial of me, but I'ma just be real, it was so weird. I need to make a banana bread this morning because some bananas are going off. I'm about to have a hot water and then I need to show you Banksy because she looks so stinking cute this morning. You know, sometimes when the pets just, can I just say how much of a relief I know that pets are being during this time? Animals bring so much joy. Like, I just look at Banksy and I'm like, oh. And then whenever I go for a walk, oh, she's moved, dagnammit. Yeah, whenever I go for a walk, I just look at all the dogs and I'm like, you're so cute. Dogs, just looking at dogs makes me happy. Where's she gone? What a pickle. She's moved, hasn't she? Dad, have you seen this girl? She never goes on that sofa.
This was where it's happening, so I thought I'd come and have a look.
What are you doing? You never sit there, does she? She looks really small on there. Thanks, what are you doing? Hey? What are you doing? That's my water. It's not for cats. You love a chin tickle. That's your favourite thing in the whole world, isn't it? So we're gonna try that over. I'm going to do it with some banana. This is what she looks like, and it's kind of a brick, if I'm honest. I think I need to loosen her up with something. She's really thick. Okay, I've given her a stir and actually she's loosened right up. Okay, so here it is. I could have made it prettier and I unfortunately don't have any berries to add to it, but I'd really like to add some berries. But also I'm just uploading a video, already edited one, and it is 8:10. Some may sound professional. Others say I'm definitely not. I can confirm that's not my favourite thing ever. I think it might be the protein powder. I am so glad because I was going to buy the full like 1 kg tub of this protein powder. It was £15. I was like, we'll just get the small one to start. I don't mind the texture, so it's not the, it's the flavour. So I've just been doing some editing and some work. Chloe is having to work from home this morning, then go back to school, which is so weird. It's so weird that all the schools are still at school in England. It's the most bizarre thing, and also we have 3 teachers in our house. Chloe just told me that the National Trust, how sweet is this? The National Trust are opening up all their gardens and grounds, but they're shutting cafes, all that, for free. So they're like, you can social distance still. So you are allowed to go for walks and stuff. I don't understand, I'm so confused by what, I don't know. At this moment, I think it's really lovely that you can go to the outdoor stuff, and they said it's gonna, so it's a charity as well. It's gonna cost a charity loads, they said. So National Trust a charity? Yeah. I didn't know that. Oh, I wish we lived in Cornwall because they have so many lovely National Trust places there. I just thought if you live near a National Trust place, that might be nice to know, something to do. We've got some bananas that look like tomorrow will be prime banana bread material, and I'm gonna make some, I was gonna make a hot cross bun loaf, which just I saw and it looked fun, and I thought let's bake something, and then if it works you guys can make it at home. Most of the baking, most people have stuff in their cupboards, right? Like, I feel like everyone always has currants or sultanas in your cupboards, or is that just me? We always have currants. Maybe it's because I never cook with currants. How good does that look? It looks fun. Okay, here's the recipe. Oh my gosh, what's going on out there? Make the dough first and then we can assemble together, because I feel like making the dough is not the hard part. Guys, I burnt my hot cross bun. It's fine, I'm still gonna eat it. Power through the burn. We're not wasting food right now. Okay, so I actually halved the recipe and I cut the sultanas a little bit. So here we have the dough ready to prove. It's a tiny little baby one, because as I said, I don't want to have too much wastage at the moment, because we don't want wastage here. So I'm gonna let that prove. I've got the hot cross bun cross bit ready there. And Mum has said for tea tonight, we're having leek potato lentil soup, and we need a homemade bread. Have this country grain bread flour. It's been 40 minutes and I haven't looked at the bread, the hot cross buns, but I'm just gonna have a little peek. Oh, they've barely risen at all. Excuse you, that's just rude. I'm wondering if the yeast was that's a bit sad. Gonna leave it for a bit longer, but that's. So what I like to do is put the oven on, and there's this little gap right at the back here. and it gets warm. So I'm gonna put her. Come on, little guy, I believe in you. You're doing so well. Here she is, all ready. Oh, yes, I love it when it fits perfectly. I blended this with water because I was like, let's try and save the almond milk and soya milk as much as we can and not have to use if I don't need to. Let's do a taste test because normally I have it with soya milk. Interesting. It's unique, let's say, but I'm gonna have it. Get those vitamins in ya. She did it. She is fueled and ready to stay healthy and whole and happy. Now I've got to wait for this hot cross bun thing, but I really wanted to go for a walk, but not today. Nope, not yet. I'm trying to stagger my activities, and I really need to do like a deep clean of my room, but I think I'm going to save that for another day. Because it's gross. It's not clean in here. And look at this jumper. I need to navigate a new jumper situation because it's not practical. It's absolutely not practical at all. It's just splurging out everywhere. And like my colouring ends as well. It's been about 2 hours now that it's been back here. Oh, has it risen? Oh, it's developing a skin on it. We can't have that. Okay, I'm just going to pipe the crosses on it. No, my hair, get out of the way, that's so naughty. Oh, it's so cute! Here we go, she's ready to go in the oven. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. How cute is she? She's so cute! Okay, I have just rolled the bread, and now I'm about to make some leek and potato soup. My absolute favourite soup. I'd say it's God tier soup. If we're talking, I just love it. You get the saltiness from the bacon, the lentils, oh, I love it so much. Okay, I'm making the soup. We've got the bacon and the onion in here. This bread we've had the opposite issue with, and it is bloomed into a massive big boy. So we're gonna put him in the oven now, and then hopefully once I've done that, I can take myself for a walk. Your girl just wants to go on a walk. Got our bread, big boy bread. Been for a walk, you can probably tell from my rosy cheeks. The soup is done. Banksy, how are you feeling?
Well, yeah.
You love soup so much. I said it once and I'll say it again. Soup is the most underrated.
So we have to consume the dinner at the partake.
Please continue.
Please continue what?
That voice for the whole vlog.
For the rest of the whole vlog, I think people will click out very quickly.
Should do it anyway.
Flamingo cups.
Flamingo cups.
Even joking, that voice makes me feel so uncomfortable. I literally hate it and I wish I never did it. It's so awful. Never let me do that voice again. Don't match me.
Now you actually know what a cut portion is.
Oh, Jesse's here by the way. Did they know that?
I'm not staying here.
He is
fishing.
He's going fishing.
It's my birthday.
Actually, more importantly, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na-na. It's your birthday in 2 days' time. I'm gonna make her a birthday cake.
But not your brother. Wow, this is what it's like.
Oh wow, you're not here, brother.
Wow.
I actually, should I show you? Should I spoil the surprise?
Don't spoil a surprise.
Yeah, exactly.
So you have got me a cake. We just spoiled.
No, I haven't got cake actually.
Oh no, you got me then.
Huh?
So it's not a cake, then I know what it is.
What?
Battenberg.
No.
Oh, you know, I love it. Okay.
It's not free from.
Yeah, I thought you got me free from Batten. Why are you looking about that suspense?
What?
Oh, yeah.
Should I make you a Battenberg? Oh, we don't have
I'm
marzipan.
gonna be fishing.
Do we have marzipan? Yeah. Someone actually got annoyed at me in the comments the other day.
What?
They said...
Oh, that was so cute. She did it.
She did a little sniffy sniff.
Can you put a sound effects on that when you edit it?
I cracked up the other day. No one even picked up on it. You know when you do something editing, it's what you're not proud of that they pick up on.
Yeah.
That they find like I did a sniff over a section of the vlog like this, yeah. And like I made it go silent. I cancelled the background and I added a sniff in. It was so funny to me. But no one realised. That was literally.
Well, I thought it was too quiet.
No, because it was me. I picked something up. I was like a candle or something, and I went. But I'd silenced the background noise, so it was literally just the sound of someone sniffing. I downloaded it from YouTube.
Non-diegetic sound. Who was the English teacher that said digetic?
Didactic.
What?
What's going on right now?
What are you talking about?
That is a word.
Yeah, but is it the word that we're talking about?
I mean, I know the word diplodocus.
Diplodocus.
I was going to say diplodocus, diplodocus, but you know.
Did you call it diplodocus?
I think there's.
Diplodocus.
We were diplodocuses.
It is a diplodocus.
You can say diplodocus.
Here's my end of the outfit day. This wasn't the outfit as I started. One of you guys said you actually like my outfits of the day, so I'm going to keep posting them. This top is from Depop. Tracksuit bottoms. Well, I didn't have these on earlier. I had the classic ASOS men's white trousers. Tracksuit bottoms are Depop, and jumper is Marble Studios. And we're going to go downstairs because I'm doing some worky poos upstairs. You know when you're really thirsty and you realise you haven't drunk anything all day. What's going on, guys? Like, that was such a youngest child thing. They think they're missing out, so I was like, what's going on, guys? Because I'm like, fill me in, please. What am I missing out on FOMO? I don't know if that's just youngest children, but I feel like it is. It's got stir fry though, that's good. Banksy's coming to say hello. Stir fry have we got here? That bean, good choice. How come she went for rice noodles and not? I was gonna say. So, why does it look like I've been crying? My eyes look really, really red and dry. I made Jessie a green. I haven't made one of the green ones yet, and it literally looks like swamp water. I think you're gonna get flashbacks to
yeah, I know.
The juicing 24-hour thing. I want your reaction. My brothers don't die, we just fussy bop. Never sniff, when will you learn? Your actions have consequences!
Sniffing gives you a very good indication. Most times when you sniff something, you know if you're going to like it, and I can tell you what.
He ain't gonna like.
A lot of, is that spirulina, kale or spinach?
All three of the above. Oh, he liked that, did he? He liked that. You're naughty, you're naughty.
I'm going to stare.
What are you doing up there?
What?
You silly girl, what are you doing?
Oh, she likes the rump being rubbed. No. She knows something's up. She's smelling the corn.
Did you know animals do have a very good internal instinct for stuff like that?
I saw an eye twitch.
It's not nice.
Down it.
It's very watery.
I'll pay you £1.50 if you down that all.
I wouldn't do it for 50.
Yes, you would. You would so down that for 50 quid. Chug, 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 chug. Yet again, also very, very youngest child, that is. What are you doing?
I did put her outside. She doesn't need the toilet.
You
just like pee.
Why does she look so inquisitive? She peed this one time in the lounge,
And it was like a kid with her legs open and
Mum was carrying her. It was just weird. You know, I actually wasn't there for that. I was in the toilet. I was peeing.
I was one opening the door. It was hilarious. And Banksy was literally just like this, and this stream of pee was just.
So demoralising, wasn't it, baby? Well, you learn your actions have had consequences, and you're now not allowed in them. You know what? She just loves sniffing objects. Anything, literally.
Yeah, but she does love a new object.
Oh, this is new. Oh, she's so gassed for it.
Oh, it's a flamingo.
Oh, no. What says? Let's just get literally anything.
It has to be something.
No,
new.
there it is. There it is.
It has to be something new that she's not.
No. What about a peanut? This is small. Yep, well up for it.
She's a single lady.
No, she's doing it. You want a date? I reckon she's got a boyfriend.
You reckon?
Yeah. What about a lime? This would be great.
She's quite a feisty one. I reckon you'd have to have some real strong guns on him. Ooh.
Ooh. Jessie's let back to smell the green juice now. Ready, watch this. She knows it's not good. She's like, green? No. Oh, she hates it, Jessie. She never does that. Oh.
It's here, Banks.
She absolutely, I've never seen her do that.
It's like the cucumber.
She will literally sniff anything. Or some vinegar. How weird. Can I go back with the green juice?
Oh.
Oh.
No.
Ready? Soy sauce? Yeah, I'll take that.
What is this video? My cat accepts anything but green smoothie. Great content.
Jesse, that's literally what the titles of my videos are like on my second channel.
Oh, no, they are. I think I should start taking over.
That is a big cake. That's what
I saw that one. I was literally like, what is this? Like, least clickbaiting.
But the thing is,
I made a cake the size of my house.
I cracked was so fun with it. I know I would get way more views if I was like making the biggest cake, but I just find it funny to not.
Well, that's why you're where you're at right now.
What does that mean?
Take it as you want.
Is that a good thing or not?
It's both.
Remember at school when everyone used to do this? But I can't remember that. That's it.
Alright, you don't need to continue. Grace, stop it. You're being mean to her.
She loves me.
She doesn't.
Right, bye guys, I think that's the end of the vlog. Leave it on a high. Bye, thanks. I actually don't think that one single person would have made it to the end of that vlog because goodness knows what that was. But I am really enjoying making, filming and editing these daily vlogs because it takes my mind off of it and hopefully it takes your mind off of it as well. But I actually don't think anyone will have gotten to the end of that. Let me know if you did. Comment pickles and nickels down below if you got to the end because I don't think anyone will have, and you're a legend if you have. Love you all loads. I hope you're doing well. See you tomorrow with another vlog.